Hi there, time to look at Wednesday morning's weather from the Met Office. A chilly start for many, not for all, a lot of cloud for many, and some dense fog patches, mainly towards the southeast of England. The northwest of Scotland, on the other hand, starts the day with outbreaks of rain, a keen breeze, the rain heavy in places, mainly over western hills. Some breaks in the cloud there, eastern Scotland, and much chillier here, 0 Celsius on the thermometer in some spots. Northern Ireland, dribs and drabs of rainfall, not particularly wet first thing. Likewise for Cumbria and North Wales. But it's for the rest of Wales as well as England where we're likely to see frosty patches, foggy patches. The densest fog, most likely southeast England, could cause some travel issues during the morning. Yellow warning in force, and in 1 or 2 spots, central, southern England, that fog will last into the afternoon, limiting the temperatures. Generally a chilly day across much of England and Wales, but largely dry. Rainfall from the northwest moves into northern England, southern Scotland, North Wales by the end of the afternoon. Brightening skies into the rest of Scotland as well as Northern Ireland, but blustery showers, thunder, hail possible in some of the livelier downpours later Wednesday. A little milder in the northwest compared to the southeast, but obviously a keen breeze here won't make it feel especially warm. Now this is the rainfall that we start the day in the northwest with, but it generally peters out as it pushes into much of England and Wales, fizzles, and it just leaves behind a legacy of areas of cloud, tending to complicate the fog picture for the start of Thursday, because as that cloud drifts in, acting like a blanket, well, the fog will be restricted to areas where the cloud tends to thin and break, and so fog patches rather than widespread frost in the southeast first thing Thursday. Likely to see frost patches as well, so watch out for fog coming and going in the southeast corner. Elsewhere, largely cloudy skies, keeping the fog and frost away, and outbreaks of rain or showers into the north and west of Scotland continuing overnight, along with a keen breeze. So milder in the northwest, colder for the south and the east. The last frosty morning for a couple of mornings, I suspect, in the south on Thursday, because we're into a bit of a change later in the day. That cold front gets out of the way, but look at the isobars. High pressure slipping away, isobars tightly packed together. Atlantic weather returns. That means wind and rain, most especially northern western Britain. The showers turn to persistent rain for western Scotland, northern Scotland as well. The brighter colours there over the higher ground of western Scotland. The rainfall tending to pile up against the higher ground. And through Thursday and into the start of Friday, well, 60, perhaps 80, in some spots more than 100 millimetres of rain accumulating, risk of flooding and a yellow warning in force. All that accompanied by gales, 65-mile-per-hour gusts for the north and the west of Scotland, and a windy, wet day to come for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northwest England. Bits and pieces of rain further south, but not a great deal. Lots of cloud cover, and after any early fog in the southeast, a bright, if breezy day. Still continuing to feel on the cold side because the wind will pick up through the day, but temperatures getting up to about average, or if not above average. And then Friday's looking like a breezy and wet start to the day. The rain clears most places later on, and it's going to be turning much milder for a few days. You can follow us on social media to, well, take a look at all of that at your leisure. And of course, you can download the Met Office app and get a forecast where you are. Bye-bye.